Hello everybody, today I'm going to show variables. So this plot here that I made, if I hit the A button, you can tell that it runs my little smiley face code. And then how I kind of did this, I plotted and then I paused, plot and pause, and I'm pausing each time for 100 milliseconds, so like a tenth of a second. This code right here is ideal for variables. So this 100 millisecond pause is a constant, it's always the same. But that would really be a great place to put a variable in. So let me show you what I mean. If I click on variables and I say make a variable, I can say speed. So I give it a name, right? And then instead of, then what I got to do is I created this variable called speed. If I can stick that in, I can say pause for speed, right? And I can duplicate that across. I can plug that into all these because I duplicate it, plug it in, and replace all of the 100s with speed. So what's nice now, speed is a variable. It could be any number, right? However, if I run the code right now, it doesn't really know how to do it. The computer doesn't really know what speed is, right? So what I can do is on start, if I go back to my variables, I can say set speed to a number, right? I can say set speed to a number. I'll say the speed is equal to 100. Okay, so now on start speed is 100. So now all these speeds are now 100. Right? If I change speed to 1,000, change speed to 1,000. Now they're all 1 second. So now the rate goes at 1 second per, which I think is pretty cool. And so then check this out. And then it gets even more fun if you do this. Let's say I bring another input and I say if the B button is pressed, I can go to my variables. I can say change speed by, let's say, 250. So if I run it now, it's at 100. If I hit the B, now it speeds at 100 plus 250, so it's at 350, and it goes up. I can hit it again, I can change the speed again, and I could go up, 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 up. If I hit B like twice, 2, 3, hit it 3 times, and now the speed is really, really, really big. I guess I could do this too. I could just duplicate this, and I could say if I press the A B button, if I hit A and B, I could change it by, I could say negative 250. So then I have like a speed up, a speed down. I have a way to speed it up and speed it down. Yeah, so that's variables. So I have variables, a number that I can adjust and change, and it's pretty powerful. Cool. Thanks for listening.